Do nothing, just wait. Simply wait. Waiting. Just be. Don't do anything negative or positive. But when the next question is connected, if creativity and ideas comes, then what? Let them come. Let them go. Especially when you are meditating, meditation means learn to see what is. Don't do anything. Don't even think of doing anything. Even creative ideas. When something likable, like you have used the word creative. Creative or destructive, both are thoughts. And thought is the problem. Thought must be a function, not a problem. But thought becomes our problem. There is a creativity, it will happen. If you have creative energy, it will create what it wants to create. Then you just become a medium, not a doer. Here, the medium is allowed. Remain a non doer and let the creative energy do whatever it wants to do, what it, whatever it wants to does. But while meditating, remain totally passive, not supporting the creative thought and not escaping the undestructive thought. Don't be afraid of. There may be a thought or assumption or imagination which scares you. Then what you will do? Again you will do something. If you do something, you are caught. Remain uncaught. Just totally passive, silent, still, mirroring, like a mirror. Images comes, images go, and you are just mirroring it. Don't even notice from your side. If the noticing happens, or some doubt happens, or some question arises, don't support it. From your side, you just remain passive and silent. Don't become a doer. Learn how to remain non doer. Once you have the knack of it, your life will be more easy, more happy, more relaxed, even more creative. Don't get involved. Don't even claim that these are my thoughts. Don't take the delivery. Maybe some terrorist has sent a bomb. When any thought appears, it is wrapped in a gift paper. Don't take the delivery. We go on taking delivery. We have the old habit. Break this habit. Just remain. Just be. Unmoving. Don't move with the thought. That is the only suffering. Get it? Just interact when I am talking. Otherwise, हो जाए. Yeah.
सो बातचीत के समय आपने बताया ना कि परिवर्तन संभव है लेकिन उसके लिए चेतना का तलब होना होगा.
बिल्कुल. हम चेतना के जिस तल पे जीते हैं वहां कोई परिवर्तन संभव नहीं है. और हम चाहते हैं कि हम जैसे जी रहे हैं वैसे ही जीते रहें और परिवर्तन हो जाए. नहीं हो सकता. परिवर्तन अगर हम चाहते हैं तो चेतना का तल बदलना पड़ेगा. आज तीसरा दिन है ना. आप सब प्रसन्न क्यों हो? क्यों विश्रामस्थ हो? क्योंकि यहां पर तुम्हारी चेतना का तल मैं बदल देता हूं. वो मेरी कला है. तुम्हें चेतना के किसी दूसरे तल पे खिसकाता हूं. धीरे 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 40 दिन के कैंप में तो चेतना के उस तल पे ले चलता हूं जिसका तुम भरोसा ही नहीं कर सकते. और तुम लाख चेष्टा कर लो, तुम अपना आप वो चेतना का तल नहीं पा सकते. अकेले तो बिल्कुल नहीं. तुम चाहते हो पत्नी से मेरा संबंध ठीक हो जाए, मेरी ये मुश्किल हल हो जाए, मेरा बॉस मेरे को डांटे नहीं, मेरा बिजनेस अच्छा चले, ऐसा हो जाए वैसा हो जाए, ये पहले ऐसा था अब ऐसा है, कब ये फिर वैसा हो जाएगा. लेकिन तुम अपने आप को नहीं बदलना चाहते. पहले तो ये समझो कि चेतना के तल हैं क्या. चेतना का पहला तल है गहरी नींद, सुषुप्ति. ये चेतना का एक तल है. गहरी नींद में भी चेतना मौजूद है. नहीं तो तुम ये कह नहीं सकते कि आज मेरे को बड़ी अच्छी नींद आई. कैसे पता लगा? जो भी पता लगता है उसका मूल चेतना है. चेतना नहीं तो कोई प्रतीति नहीं. हो सकती है कोई प्रतीति. गहरी नींद आई, विश्राम गहरा हुआ, इसकी भी प्रतीति है. इसका अर्थ हुआ कि चेतना उपस्थित है. चेतना को जानने को कुछ नहीं है तो अभाव को जान रही है. कोई विषय वस्तु नहीं, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं. तो चेतना क्या जानेगी? नहीं है को जानेगी. जब कोई विषय वस्तु नहीं है, जब पर्दा खाली है तो चेतना खाली पर्दे को जानती. और खाली पर्दा शांति है, आनंद है, विश्राम है. क्यों गहरी नींद की आकांक्षा? क्योंकि वहां पर सारी ऑब्जेक्टिविटी गायब है. कुछ भी, कोई विषय वस्तु. गहरे ध्यान में जब ध्यान की गहराई में डूब जाते हो सारे ऑब्जेक्ट खो जाते हैं. खो जाते हैं. चेतना की दूसरी अवस्था है स्वप्न. पहली चेतना को तुम कह लो सुषुप्ति चेतना, स्लीप कॉन्शियसनेस. Consciousness is present in the deep sleep also. That is why in the morning you say, I had a very good sleep. Very nice. Consciousness is knowing the absence of the objects. It is aware of the absence of the objects. दूसरी चेतना का तल है स्वप्न. स्वप्न में बहुत थोड़ी सी चेतना सक्रिय हो जाती है, नींद में घुस जाती है तो स्वप्न प्रकट होता है. ये दूसरा तल है. फिर तीसरा तल है जिसको तुम जागृत कहते हो। मजे की बात यह है कि इस जागृत में नीचे स्वप्न चलता ही रहता है, उससे भी गहरे नींद चलती रहती है। इसलिए सब ज्ञानी कहते हैं कि तुम सोए सोए हो। चेतना का चौथा तल है, उसको हम तुरिया कहते हैं, जहां तुम इस जागृत से भी जाग जाते हो। जब तुम इस जागृत चेतना को ट्रांसेंड नहीं करते, तब तक कोई परिवर्तन संभव नहीं। ये जो चौथी चेतना है, चेतना का जो ये जो चौथा तल है, ये फिर गहरी नींद जैसा है। यहां गहन विश्राम है, विचारों की उहापोह नहीं है, भाग दौड़ नहीं है। तुम शांत हो, विश्राम मस्त हो, और सारे क्रियाएं अपना आप हो रही हैं, और तुम राजी हो उससे। ये उस चेतना का, चौथी चेतना का ये स्वभाव है कि तुम राजी हो। इस राजीपन में तुम पूरे परमात्मा के साथ हो। परमात्मा तुम्हारे साथ है, तुम उसी दिशा में जा रहे हो जिस ओर परमात्मा ले जा रहा है। तुम संघर्ष नहीं कर रहे। तुम्हारी चाह वही चाह है जो परमात्मा की चाह है। इस जागृत में तुम्हारी चाह कुछ अलग है, वो परमात्मा से अलग है। परमात्मा ने जहां तुम्हें छोड़ा है वहां तुम राजी नहीं हो, वहां तुम परिवर्तन चाहते हो। परिवर्तन अपना आप घट जाता है जब चेतना का तल बदलता है। इसलिए तुम्हें ध्यान शिविर में बुलाया जाता है कि धीरे 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 तुम्हें चेतना की चौथी अवस्था का रस लगे, जो फिर बिल्कुल फिर गहरी नींद जैसी खाली है, लेकिन नींद के पार है, इन तीनों अवस्थाओं के पार है। इसके पार भी अवस्था है, उसकी चर्चा नहीं करता मैं। सारी साधना, सारा श्रम, ध्यान की सारी विधियां चेतना की चौथी अवस्था में लाने की कोशिश, और परिवर्तन फिर अपना आप होने लगता है। तुम किसी ज्ञानी के पास जाओ, किसी बुद्ध के पास जाओ और कहो कि मेरी ये समस्या पत्नी से नहीं बनती, पति से नहीं बनती, ये कमी है, वो कमी है, तो वो क्या करेगा? सोए सोए में सब अधूरा है। गहरी नींद में खूबी है कि कोई मांग नहीं है। कोई मांग है? जब गहरी अवस्था है, सुषुप्ति की अवस्था है, वहां पर कोई मांग नहीं, कोई अपेक्षा नहीं, कोई इच्छा नहीं, कोई विचार नहीं, कोई भाव नहीं, कोई झगड़ा नहीं। ठीक गहरी नींद की जो अवस्था है वही तुरिया की अवस्था है, चेतना की चौथी। वहां भी कोई मांग नहीं। जब कोई मांग ही नहीं है तो झगड़ा काहेगा? हो जाए। तुम्हारी मांगों के कारण ही तो तुम परेशान हो ना। कुछ हटाना चाहते हो, कुछ लाना चाहते हो, बस उसी में लगे हुए हो। सब अधूरा है। जो है उससे राजी, जो है उससे हम राजी नहीं। चेतना की ये जो तीसरी जागृत अवस्था है, ये अपूर्ण अवस्था है। इसमें सब अधूरा है, इसमें तृप्ति की खोज चल रही है। इसमें तृप्ति नहीं हो सकती, संभव ही नहीं है। चेतना की इस अवस्था में अगर तुम बने रहो तो संघर्ष ही तुम्हारा जीवन है, दुख ही तुम्हारी नियति है, पीड़ा ही तुम्हें भोगनी पड़ेगी। चेतना की चौथी अवस्था में आ जाओ, बैठ के बोलो हो जाए। नहीं मिले 40 लोग तो अपने आप को बोलो हो जाए। सब अपना आप है, सब उपलब्ध है। मजे की बात तो ये है, ऐसा नहीं है कि चेतना की चौथी अवस्था में मुर्दार हो जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं, सब चलेगा, बल्कि बहुत अच्छे से चलेगा। तुम्हारे जो कार्य हैं वो बड़े सटीक हो जाएंगे, भूल चूक कम हो जाएगी, नहीं हो जाएगी, सब तीर निशाने पे लगेंगे। हकीकत यह कि तीर चलाओगे नहीं, निशाने का सवाल ही नहीं। वहां तृप्ति है, आनंद है, जो है पूरा है, वो पूरी अवस्था है, वहां पूर्णता है। तुम चाहते हो कि तुम जैसे हो वैसे ही बने रहो और सब पूरा हो जाए, कुछ नहीं पूरा होने वाला। सब मिलता जाए तो भी अधूरा रहेगा। पत्नी चाहते हो ले आते हो, क्या मिलता है, हो जाए। पत्नी छोड़ के चली जाए, क्या मिलता है। जितना धन चाहते हो मिल जाए, क्या मिलता है। अभी अंबानी दोनों भाई अरबों खरबों रुपए लड़ रहे हैं आपस में। इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि जितना ज्यादा होता है अधूरापन भी उतना ज्यादा होता है। नहीं, बढ़ा लो, जितनी सफलता चाहिए मिल जाए, उससे आगे क्या रास्ता बंद है। चौथी अवस्था में कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है, हो जाए, कहीं जाना ही नहीं, कहीं आना ही नहीं, बस होने का आनंद है। और होना अपने आप में पूरा है, पूरा परमात्मा है। इसलिए सहजो अपने गुरु को परमात्मा के ऊपर रख देती है कि तू जरा पीछे हो। क्यों? कि गुरु ने पूरा कर दिया। गुरु खींच खांच के चौथी अवस्था में ले आया। कभी उसने ये म्यूजिक बजाया, कभी कुंडली करवाई, कभी हंसाया, कैसे भी करके, ये उसका धंधा है। तुम बस उसके साथ फंसे रहो, हो जाए, अटके रहो। और कुछ लोग अटके हुए मेरे साथ, मैंने नहीं उनको कहा अटको, मैं किसी को नहीं अटकाता बाबा, आके अटक जाते हैं। और मेरे साथ आके अटक के बजाय इसके कि मेरे साथ चलें, मेरे को चलाने की कोशिश करते हैं। अजीब गोरख धंधा है। मैं भी इस आशा में उनके साथ चल पड़ता हूं कि चलो कभी तो तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे। जिस दुख को, पीड़ा को तुम भोग रहे हो, जान रहे हो उससे जान छूटी, लेकिन जान छूट के भी नहीं छूटती। अब तुम तो किनारे हो गए, एक नई जिम्मेदारी आ जाती है कि दूसरों को भी किनारे करो। जो इधर उधर भटक रहे हैं, जो प्यासे हैं, जो खोजी हैं, उनको हेल्प करो। अब उनको हेल्प करने जाओ, फिर वो तुमको दुखी करने लगते। बेसिकली कर नहीं सकते, लेकिन अपनी उनकी चेष्टा पूरी चलती है। In the fourth state of consciousness, everything is complete. All this sadhana, all this meditation business, yoga business, whatsoever, is trying to bring you in the fourth state of consciousness, which is like basically deep sleep. In the deep sleep, objects are absent. Again, in the fourth state, objects are absent. In third stage, which is waking, this, everything is incomplete. And whatsoever you do, it is going to remain incomplete. You will feel unfulfilled. The moment you enter into the fourth stage, the completion starts. You feel okay. Somewhere, though you are fully awake, it has the total effect of deep sleep. In deep sleep, you have no demand of any sort. You are just complete but unaware. In the fourth state, which is waking from the waking state, going beyond, going above, again, whatsoever is accepted. You are agreed with God. You are with God. God is going to the north, you are not trying to going to the south. In this stage, third stage, you are against God. You are against nature. You are against existence. That is why there is a pain, there is a suffering, there is a problem. If you want to change the phenomena, you have to change the state of consciousness. चेतना का तल बदलना पड़ेगा. You have to put your total effort. I create a situation in my camp. I bring you to the fourth state. Though you are not aware, you cannot recognize it. Because that too needs a training, a time, a maturity to understand, to remain, to stabilize in that state. You may be born in the fourth state of consciousness, but you are like a kid. You have to mature. You're getting? Suppose you enter into Mysore, but yet you have to arrive at Devlok. Though you are there, but still you are not there. Getting me? The same way, first you have to give birth yourself into the fourth state. You have to enter. The moment you enter, it is so vast a phenomena. It's like a whole sky. There is no traffic. There is no police. There is no struggle. Here, the feeling is of fulfillment, acceptance, happiness, bliss, joy. Here, the sharing starts. This is a state of love. We use the word love. I love you, honey. 10 times a day we say. Why we say? I am always surprised. Why we say again and again, I love you? It simply means there is no love. If there is love, the other is not a blind, he can see. Do I need to say that I love you all? You know that I love you, isn't it? Simple. Why you are here? You are here because you love me. And then a different journey moves. There is no need to say. This is a state of pure love. Here, the fragrance all the time is happening without doing anything on your part. Here, everything is just pure happening. There is no doer. Things are happening. They are happening because they have to happen. And whatsoever happens, being in the fourth state, you just respond, not react, respond. And each time your response is fresh. It is not coming from the training, from the mind, from the memory. It is immediate. Sometime it is one way, another time it is another. One has to change. See, when you are in deep sleep, you have sleep consciousness. When you are watching the thought, it is a thought consciousness. When there is a feeling, it is a feeling consciousness. When there is nothing, it is a self consciousness. You are aware of nothing because everything has disappeared. But still, one thing remains, that is the self. And now you are available to yourself and you can know what you are, who you are, or you can say, you are self conscious, knowing yourself. Here, knowing and being becomes one. This is called self awareness. You are knowing nothing but knowing yourself. Here, the whole drama, the drama of life changes. Once you are here, the whole perspective changes. Though you remain the same, you look same, but deep down, the transformation, the mutation has happened. Is it clear? हाँ पूछो पूछो बात कर लो. Yes.
Um, I am in a very strange situation. Whenever you say suffering stops, and so okay, and I'm fulfilled, and no pain, and there are no problems. I have no problems. I am totally grateful. I am not burdened. I am most of the time very happy, sometimes very peaceful. I am, I most of the time feel like a bird. I, I am totally grateful, but I am not yet there. I have a feeling I am, I am far away from this fourth state of consciousness. But sometimes I think maybe I should suffer a lot, that then I would know. So, do you understand what I mean?
What is the question now?
There is no suffering, there is lots of happiness for sure, but I'm not there.
Does not matter. हो जाए. That may be your assumption that you are not there. Because you don't have any acquaintance. You may, you may be not acquainted. It does not matter. Happiness is there, gratefulness is there, joy is there. You are like a bird. More than enough. It is more than enough. Where you want to go? You are already there, but you don't know. Maybe. So don't worry. Don't make it a problem. Everything is just perfect. Just enjoy. Just dance. That's all. Laugh. Sing a song. That's all. Maintain it. That's all. Just maintain it. Don't go into words that you are not there. These are words. Just forget it. Okay? Now you understand me?
I don't want to build up the spiritual ego that I speak. You understand?
If you if you are there, if you come to know that you are there, then you can build up. So you are already know that you are not there, so you cannot build up. And the content is happiness, gratefulness, joy. That's it. What more you need? Yes, have a good laugh. Don't create problem for yourself. Listening to all these things, you start assuming something which is not there. Don't pick up the words, pick up the essence. Essence you already have. If you are happy, if you are joyous, if you are grateful, grateful is the main indication of being there. And if you are unaware, it is even a plus point. Oh, yeah. When you come to know that you are there, you have to sit here. Then you have to suffer all these people. Don't think it is a great joy. Well done, Ingrid. Well done. Don't make a problem. Just enjoy being yourself. Being a Westerner, you are grateful, you are joyous, you are happy, no problem. But more you need. That's it. That's it. No problem. There are many awakened ones. They are not aware that they are awakened one. There are many awakened ones. They say they know, but they are not. What to do? You may be brought into some place, but you don't know where you brought. But the way you understand words, sometimes that creates confusion, problem. Don't for I am talking to you. I am not saying anything to anybody else. This is directly to you. Just keep quiet. That's all. हो जाए 6 minutes, sir. निखिल बाबू कोई प्रश्न नहीं बचे
Smoking or alcohol is moderation for this fourth stage?
पहले तो हो जाए when you start meditating, if they disappear by themselves, it is better. But don't fight with it. At the same time, put your energy into meditation. Don't do anything with non veg or smoking or anything else. Just start meditation. Don't touch that small line, create some new big line. That is my teaching, if you ask. Create meditation. Start a new line, create a new line, and it will make that small automatically. When you see the effect of the new, what it has brought to you, that will be silent automatically. And if it remains, let it remain. No problem. But don't move through the ideologies, theories that non-veg is bad or smoking is bad. No, don't listen to that. I am not saying smoke. Don't misunderstand. I'm not saying eat non-veg. I'm not saying that. Don't pay much attention to it. If you feel like eating, eat. Okay? There is no need to make a habit of eating. If you feel to eat non-veg, chicken or mutton or something, okay, no problem. Sometimes feel like smoking, smoke, no problem. Don't do something negative. That is a negative thing. Do something positive. Become a good meditator. Put your energy. Whatsoever is unnecessary for you, for your body, for your mind, it will go automatically. Okay? Yeah, that's it. बाद में बाद में हाँ बोलो
Patient also at times
हाँ
it feels as though it's becoming difficult,
हाँ
especially during the dance steps.
हाँ
I find that I take the same posture,
हाँ
and by becoming aware about that,
हाँ
it makes it all the more the flow stops and the whole attention gets on dancing or noticing whether you're mechanical. This creates a whole
let it be mechanical, no problem. Let it be accepted. Let it be. Sometime it is mechanical. So what? We owe nothing. किसी के बाप का खाया क्या? Now see, it should not be mechanical. The connotation in the question is, but it is mechanical, so it is mechanical. So what? It is not a big issue. Sometime it is mechanical. No problem. हाँ कुछ हाथ वाथ उठ रहा रहेगा हाँ
You have said some time ago that think it, feel it, and be it. These are three states. Sometimes one can think it, rarely one can feel it. Be it. Do you have to be it, or do you have to let yourself become it? What is it?
what you have to think? You are talking about what?
But you are talking about
Self-remembering.
the self.
When I say, so that is not thinking, that is remembering. Just remember, I am. Just feel it. No, don't think. If you start thinking about it, then everything goes. You have to remember that you are. How to remember? Just suddenly you remember, I am, feel, remain. That is be. Just remain, be. Again and again, even if it is a thought, even if it is mechanical, do it. Continue it. Don't stop. And don't try to think from your side. If thinking happens, you cannot stop. But you cooperate, you identify, you take interest, you are carried away, then some from your side, don't float with it, with the thought, with the thinking. Just remember that you are, feel you are less. Don't hope any result. Don't try to make any image, any idea. Again, it is a thinking. Just remain aware. Just remember and be. Feel and be. Do it again and again, persistently. This should become your first priority. But our priorities are different. This is our side business. Not even side business.
इसके लिए आंख बंद करना पड़ेगा मुझे।
हाँ करो, क्या हर्ज है? आंख खुली करके कर सको तो खुली करके करो, और आंख बंद करके करना है तो आंख बंद। तो शुरू शुरू में आंख बंद करके करो, फिर खोलो, फिर बंद करो, फिर खोलो, फिर बंद करो, कोई हर्ज नहीं
ये सूरत
है।
ही
हैं?
किसी को सूरत ही करना।
हाँ, सुरति माने होश, बोध। सुरति किसकी? जब सुरति शब्द कहते हैं तो स्व की सुरति, स्वस्मरण, स्वबोध, स्वचेतना, कुछ ना बचे, स्वचेतना बच जाए। चेतना है स्वयं की चेतना के प्रति, चेतना स्वयं को जान रही है, ये सेल्फ रिमेम्बरिंग है। तो बार बार याद करो मैं हूं, मैं को छोड़ दो, हूं को महसूस करो, और हूं में डूबते जाओ। हूं फिर बिखर जाएगा, फिर पकड़ो, फिर बिखर जाएगा, फिर पकड़ो, फिर धागा सुई से निकल बाहर आएगा, फिर पकड़ने का, सुई में डालने का।